Hello everyone, welcome to the Bookish Tarot. Today is a very journal reading for this month, and it will be an oracle reading. So I hope you all are doing great. So the first card we have is the Fury Climax approaches. So that is an Aries card, that is in a very Aries energy, something that is a lot of people, especially who are very intently in a spiritual journey, can feel that something is about to change in their life, or they are coming into a conclusion of something. So yes, your gut feeling is correct. There will be a fiery climax that will really help. That will really shake things up for you, and please don't be nervous about it. But whenever there is a shake up, it is only for something good, right? And it also says have faith in your dream. So in case we all, when there is a lot of waiting involved in anything that has not been manifesting, many of us, including me, tend to give up. We think that maybe that thing is, maybe our desires, we are not worth having such desires or dreams, so we give up on our dreams. So it says that have faith in your dreams. Maybe it takes the journey towards achieving your dream has been very long and tiring, but the card has been advising you not to give hope, because the first card is a fairy climax approaches. So something, if it's not been manifesting in your life, so don't give up that easily. Confidence is your key. So have faith that you are capable enough to manifest anything that you want in your life. Okay, if you need a big car, a very great relationship, uh, good health, a good body, anything that you want, you have all the tools to manifest that in your life, right? It's the central energy we have is a time to give rather than take. So that means that if it also encourages you to, at this time you should really focus on giving yourself. From here it means giving yourself or giving back to the environment. So if you by giving back to the environment can be as simple as gardening, okay, taking care of plants or taking care of animals, and also taking care of anything that is connected to the nature, like conserving the environment, not you're being getting in a lot into capitalism, and not excessively buying things that can at the end create troubles for the environment. So you can it talks about how you can give back to the environment. So another we have joy is a ultimate creator. So that means that whenever you are happy, so that means whenever somebody is happy, any person who is happy, they are in a very strong vibration. Okay, so when we are in a strong vibration, then we are a very good manifester. Whenever we are vibrating in a high energy, so it says that one of the tools of manifesting anything in your life is being present in the moment. So if you stay happy, you intently stay happy, it will definitely remove all the blockage that are coming towards manifesting anything in your life. So be happy. Happiness is my birthright. Know that whatever you are desiring, know that all the success and happiness, living a fulfilling and a healthy life is something that that's your right. It's not like that a certain section deserves to stay happy while other section deserves to struggle. Everybody deserves to have best in their life. So have faith. Then we have find a deeper meaning and personal growth amid the discomfort. So don't let this phase, every phase of your life, whether the things are manifesting or not, are equally important. The phase where things are not manifesting in your life is a phase where you have is a very crucial time for personal growth. So right, please use that time for personal growth and know what are the areas of your life that you can improve. Okay, I hope this reading was great for you, and you got something out of this reading. Please comment, and do let me know if I can do any other readings that you like. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.